Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abu Bakr Siddiq. I'm studying in grade 3 Ali Public School, Kolar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the blessings of Allah. Now let's have on my project. My topic is solar irrigation. The energy we get from the sun. It's called solar energy. It is a renewable source of energy. We get energy from solar energy, which means electricity. Nowadays, solar energy is important to stop increasing pollution. 80% energy is able to meet the needs of all things. Jazakallahu khair.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Muhammad Fasiuddin. I am studying in second standard. My topic is about airport. Airport and airport is the where have all aeroplanes land and take off in the sky. Decide when they are not flying. Airport is the claimant, terminal gates and hangars. Aeroplane place not have aeroplane and land and take off in the sky. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sophia Fatima from grade 4 Ali Public School, Kola. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah and in the blessings of Allah. Now let's have a look on my project. My topic is solar system. Our solar system is a region of space. It has no atmosphere, but it contains many worlds enduring Earth with many kinds of atmosphere. The planets of our solar system and even many asteroids hold hundreds of moons in their orbit. The solar system has 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Earth is only a very small part of the solar system. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. The solar system is part of Milky Way. The Sun is 93 million miles from the Earth. All the 8 planets and the Sun in the solar system are shaped like the balls. The 3 main types of the solar system are on-grid solar, off-grid solar, hybrid solar. Jazakallahu khair.
Ahmad from grade 4 Ali Public School, Kolar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Now let's have on my topic faces the moon. The moon orbit Earth and Earth orbit the sun. As the moon orbit around the Earth, the half of the moon that faces to the sun will be lit up. The different shape of lit portion of the moon that can be seen from Earth are known as faces the moon. Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days. The moon doesn't emit light itself. You see, is actually the sun's light reflected off the lunar surface. So as the moon orbits the Earth, making it seem as if the moon is changing shape. In actual fact, it's just a view of it that's altering. Jazakallahu khair.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Arsha Tabasu. I am in grade 5 in Ali Public School, Kolar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. I have made this solar and lunar eclipse model. Before going in depth of learning solar and lunar eclipse, we should know what is an eclipse. An eclipse happens when a planet or a moon gets in the way of the sun's light. Here on Earth, we can experience 2 kinds of eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon gets in the way of the sun's light and casts its shadow on Earth. That means during the day, the moon moves over the sun and it gets darker. Isn't it strange? It gets darker in the middle of the day. A total eclipse happens about every and a half somewhere on Earth. This partial eclipse, when the moon doesn't completely cover the sun, happens at least once somewhere on Earth. Lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth gets in the way of the sun's light hitting the moon. That means that during the night, the full moon fades away as Earth's shadow cover it up. The moon can also look reddish because Earth's atmosphere absorbs the other colors while it bends some sunlight towards the moon. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is shining from all the sunrises and sunsets occurring on Earth. An easy way to remember is differences that the name tells you what gets darker. In a solar eclipse, the sun gets darker. In a lunar eclipse, the moon gets darker. Jazakallah.